Yep, sanibonani bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel bafethu. It doesn't cost a thing to subscribe bafethu. Okay bafethu, nangu Lorch is playing Wydad Casablanca and they are winning 3-1 on aggregate. Bafethu, Lorch just scored a Peneka penalty bafethu. Beautiful one bafethu. My question is bafethu, even if uLorch angascora 200 goals, Hugo Bruce will never call uLorch Bafana Bafana team. Not because akafuni, but there's been a thing ukuthi once you leave Orlando Pirates, you will never play for iBafana Bafana. Innocent Mdledle said that bafethu. Innocent Mdledle and Teko Mdisi are abantu abazikhulumele ukuthi once usuka ku-Pirates will never play for iBafana Bafana, and it's been there bafethu. Lodge, Saleng, they are not being called Bafana Bafana, and I'm asking myself ukuthi same person or only Pirates, is it possible ukuthi only Bafana Bafana or unese or isandla sakhe sifika nalapha kuBafana Bafana? Bafethu singama fans ne, support iPirates, support iChiefs, support whatever, but ku-national team befanele ngabe si-sticker together. Imagine iBafana Bafana without Saleng, without uLorch ku-World Cup. Siphethe sifaka bonkotha boSibisi. uSibisi akadlali ku-team yakhe bafethu. Mara uyayithola i-national call up. Mabasa nabo bani labo Evidence Mahop. Yi-striker ku-national team mara abakori and they are still being called. Abantu abakorayo kuma-club wabo, abo-Lorch, abo-Saleng, they will never get the call up. Unkotha le league adlala kuyo bafethu, singayi ngokuthi uhola malini, i-league adlala kuyo uNkotha ayikho competitive bafethu. I-league yabantu abarethayayo leya. The same thing uHugo Bruce ayikhulumile ngoMayilula, athi uMayilula makasuka ku-Sundowns aya e-America kuyodlala e-America, uyodlala kwi-league yabantu abarethayile, angeke asambiza. But nangu uNkotha uyambiza. You see, and kunalento ayishilo uHugo Bruce ukuthi abo-Basadini nabo-Jayden Adams angeke badlale ngoba badlalela i-Sundowns. Just imagine ucoach asho njalo ku-national team, but kunama-player adlala kahle emathimini wabo ema-leaguini a-competitive akawabizi because bewadlalela i-Pirates. Bafethu yekani kusaba iciniso bafethu. We need uLorch, we need uSaleng ku-World Cup. We don't need abonkotha. Abasincedi next. Same as abo-Percy Tau. uNkotha uyafana no-Percy Tau. Akasincedi next. Nabonto nabomabasa nabo-Evidence Mahop. We need to be honest guys. Danko.